Today, let's talk about nighttime routines for your skin. I use a couple of different products by Alitura. Why? Because it works, smells good, and it's super clean. Let's go to step one. Pearl cleanser, 1, 2. Meteorite Scrub. Yeah, stuff's literally from out of this world. Leaving the face nice and wet. You don't have to be rough with this stuff. Let it do its job. We're gonna take something else from out of this world called the Angel's Mist. Oh, stuff's awesome. It's a wonderful prep to spread your night cream. And we're gonna take the night cream. And you don't have to wonder about when to use it. It's called the night cream for a reason. You use it at night. Now, I get a handsome amount. Warm it up. It's also gonna help spread it. Now, don't be rough. Oh, feeling very hydrated. I'm just here to pass on the knowledge of my own personal experience and what I hope keeps almost 40 skin looking like 30. Take care of yourself in and out. Use good stuff. Support good people, small companies. See you later.